We only have 1, 2, 3, guys. You're gonna dance with us too?
I'll try a bit, preferably not.
Okay.
I'll try.
We're gonna need you, man.
Yeah, I'll try.
5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7.
Okay,
Sorry. Sorry.
Woohoo!
1, 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, right. 1.
It's really fun.
Yeah? Do you feel like you can dance better now?
Like 5% better, but not really.
Yeah, that's good. How about you guys? You have some dancing experience, right?
Yeah, but still it was amazing.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Martin?
Well, I got carried to victory by her. I didn't know what I was doing, everything went wrong, but had a great time doing it.
Story of my life. See you at djèmbe.
Now here, one bass, so 3 times bass. My left hand goes to the side. Yeah, that's it.
So the debate workshop is almost going to take place, and we have Mr. Jan Willem van Wouw here, who's going to lead the debate. What's going to happen here?
Well, I think we're going to introduce some very spicy motions just to get the crowd excited. And when we really start disagreeing, I suppose we'll have some members from Cicero around to calm things down if it all goes a little too far. All in all, I'm really excited because I think it's a very nice subject to discuss on a university where, well, approximately 25% of all students are, supposed to be international at some point. So that's a lot. At least that's what I've heard, that Tilburg University really is going for that international vibe. And if that's the case, then you might as well discuss it.
Indeed, the students that come to summer school and spend the summer term here, they're really satisfied. And with the quality of education at Tilburg, nothing wrong with that. The inherent problem with the growth goals that are being put forward by the university is that they're forgetting the very basics underlying quality, which is that you should have sufficient supporting structures in place as to make sure that everybody remains happy. And that's the sort of overextension that we're talking about. It's not necessarily only the bikes, it's not only the PCs, it's not only the fact that you have to kick 5 people out of a Mensa booth in order to get a proper meal. That's exactly the sort of stuff that has to be fixed before you can even start thinking about expanding. And that also includes building new stuff, just purchasing new computers or whatever. It doesn't just come, you really have to make a bigger effort than...
Diversity is, put it in the second row. The essential she came for education. A lot of people around me. My happiness is my finish my education in the appropriate time. I don't want to delay my education.
I think a lot of students here would disagree with that.
No, but that's definitely true. But I would say that even though you come here for education at Tilburg University, even if you get a very high standard of education, but everyone here is just here for the grades, they don't want to interact, they don't want to go out on a Saturday night or Thursday night, or basically any night in the week, I don't think you're going to enjoy your time here that much. And I think a wide variety of people will help that. And I think that's why internationalization is good. But I do think Joshua then has a point in saying that it might go a little bit too fast.
Last year was that many student associations, many boards were composed only by Dutch students, and they said like, yeah, you're welcome to come if you're international, but not really, because you didn't feel included, or once you arrive it is people only speaking Dutch. But I think that's changing, and the Netherlands in general is very open to international students and to hear different backgrounds. And also if you talk to professors or even like academic directors or the vice dean, they're always very open. And also I think university cares a lot about students' input. So once you say something, at least in my opinion, they listen to you, because I have seen some improvements based on what we tell them. So.